Hello, boys and girls. It's your old pal Big C Lear coming at you today with a quick tool tip, pro tip, something. I don't know. I was tasked today with assembling an 8-cut Ford ignition from a kit. So I don't know if it's been a while for you guys. No, it's been a while for me. And I don't have any of the brass handled spiral extractors that I used to use typically for pushing a little ball bearing in. But I made do on the van. I had these. I don't know if you'll actually be able to see it, but they're like a rounded tip punch. And those do pretty well on their own because it will support the ball and all that kind of stuff. But I will do you further solid on this job if you run across it. Go to Home Depot, get yourself one of these guys. It's a little magnetizing tool. This one's made by Klein. I think it was like 10 or 15 bucks. I think I might have actually got this one on Amazon. But if you run your punch through the magnetized section a bunch of times, the ball is ferrous and will stick to it, and you can do it here in your hands without, a vise or any of that other garbage that you might have previously needed. You're not going to fight with it. I mean, this is the second one that came in the package, so I didn't completely fail and sling it across the van. I am magnetizing it before I put it away, just in case, because I'd rather not have to worry about it. But yeah, these are like the Harbor Freight specials that I've had in a toolbox for years and years and years. But they're getting used eventually, right? But anyway, hope it helps. Otherwise, have a great day. Stay classy, boys.